Hello and welcome. My name is Irina and I'm a maths teacher. Today we're going to talk about numbers. Have you ever seen numbers on the streets? Have you seen numbers on the buses? Maybe on the doors? Yeah, when you come home, there's certainly some number on your door hanging. Do you remember what number is it? When we're talking about numbers, we can talk about the written numbers, or we can talk about the actual quantities of things. And what is important, it appears that quantity is more important than the written form of a number, because there are many ways you can write down a number. In some languages, written numbers look different from those we are used to. The digits we use every day are called Hindu-Arabic. They are the most common symbolic representation of numbers in the world. However, there are other systems and representations of numbers. Look, this is how you can write numbers in Hindi, Arabic, Roman numerals, ancient Egyptian, and Chinese characters. Tally marks or hash marks and dots, you've seen them on dice and dominoes, are also used to represent numbers.
I want to tell you a good story about dragons. So listen carefully. Once upon a time, dragons decided to invent their own symbols for numbers. Yeah. This is what they did. Have a look. We took a lot of plain boxes like this, and we then took some of our precious coins and we put them inside these small boxes. First box was empty because we needed a symbol for zero. One coin went inside of the second box. Third box had 2 coins, another box had 4 coins, and then 5 coins, 6 coins, 7 coins, 8 coins, 9 coins, and that's it. That's how many coins we used. Yes. Then we closed the boxes and mixed them up. And if I take one of these boxes like that, can you tell me how many coins are inside? Can you tell me? No, you can't tell me. No, you don't know this. You don't know because we don't have any label on it. So, we, the dragons, decided to invent our own symbols for numbers. For the 0, we just decided to draw a black circle inside the white circle. And then for number 1, we decided to draw a fish, just because dragons, we love fish. For number 2, we decided to draw a turtle. For number 3, we made the drawing of a snake. I remember I made a symbol for number 4, but I forgot what is it. Okay, have a look. We have it in front of us. Okay, so these pictures, we use them for our numbers and we use them for our mathematical expressions. Now, you can play with them too. For example, if we need to write down that we have 3 apples, the dragons write, this is how we write 3 apples. If we have 9 apples, then we write 9 apples. This is how we write 9 apples. Hey dragon, what if you have 10 apples? Well, then it comes to 10. We take our symbol for 1 and our symbol for 0 And what we do, we put them together next to each other, And this is number 10. For example, 10 apples. They're yummy, I love apples.
I see. And for 11, you just write 2 fishes. Am I right?
Right you are. Yes, this is what we do. We take one, our symbol for one, and another symbol for one, and we put them together. The fish looks much prettier than your corners for number 1.
Your fishes are really cute.
So here are our numbers from 10 to 25. Number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Oh, and 22 is 2 turtles standing next to each other. This is very cute. I like it.
Guess what? 33 is 2 snakes. And 44 is 2 butterflies. I like 66. It's 2 cats. Meow.
Amazing examples. Thank you, Dragon. So to write down the words, we're using letters. Like if we want to write down the word cat, we will use 3 letters. K, A, T. When we write numbers, we're using digits. Yeah? To write down number 15, we will use 2 digits, 1 and 5. It appears that digits are the same as letters of the alphabet, only that the letters of the alphabet we're using to write words, but the digits we're using to write numbers. If we're talking about written numbers, we must say that to write down numbers, we're using digits. And how many symbols of digits, well, how many digits do we have? Let's see. If I start counting from 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, those are the digits. 10 is a number. The number 10 has... How many digits does number 10 have?
I don't know. Let me think for a second. Maybe 2?
Yes, right you are. Number 10 has 2 digits. What 2 digits am I using to write down number 10? So tell me, what 2 digits are you using to write down number 10? You're using digit 1 and you're using digit 0. You're putting them together and this is how you get number 10. Okay, let's look at 11. Is 11 a digit or a number? What do you think?
It is definitely a number.
Yes, 11 is a number. But how many digits are we using here to write this number? We're using 2 digits and both of them look the same. We're using digit 1 twice. So this is 1, 1 and another 1. That makes 11. Here's an example for you with a really big number. So let's think about some really big number. Maybe let's take 1,352. So if we have 1,352, is it a digit or a number?
Maybe a number.
Right you are. It's a number. And what digits are we using here? We're using 4 digits. 1 for 1,000, 3 for 300, 5 for tens, 50, and 2 for ones. Wow, written numbers can look different. The most important thing is to know what quantity those written numbers stand for. You need to know what all those tricky symbols mean. But don't worry, you have plenty of time to learn them all. Meanwhile, why don't you try to create your own written symbols for numbers? You can start with a symbol for 1, and it can be anything. I mean, literally anything. Just use your imagination.
It will be a very good exercise for your brain. And feel free to send us your drawings with symbols for numbers in the comments to this video. See you later. Bye-bye.
You've been working really hard today. Well done for you. See you next time.